scholars. Today we are going to learn the first basic concept of English, how to make a sentence. I know many of you already know how to make a sentence, but there are people who don't know, and if you already know it, just watch the video, maybe you will learn something new. So to start, let me tell you, generally an English sentence contains three things: one subject, one verb, and one complement or object. And if there is anything else, that's our modifier. Subject is the thing or the person who is responsible for the action of the sentence, and every sentence requires a subject. So here in this sentence, Michael bought a smartphone. Here Michael is the subject because Michael is responsible for the action. And what is the action? It's bought. And what we call the action? It's verb. Verb is the action of the sentence. So what action is taken here? It's smartphone is bought. So bought is the verb, and every sentence requires a verb too. In this playlist you will learn more detail about the verb, so don't forget to regularly check on new videos on this playlist, because you will learn everything on English grammar in this course. So move on to the next. Now we need in this sentence a complement. A complement completes a sentence. It is usually a noun or noun phrase. So here in this sentence, what completed the sentence? It's the smartphone, and it's the completed the sentence. So the full sentence is again Michael bought a smartphone. Now if you want, you can add modifier to the sentence. For example, you can add modifier of time. That means you can add a particular time when the smartphone is bought. For example, you can say yesterday. Michael bought a phone yesterday. And if we want, we can add more modifier to this sentence. For example, we can add modifier of place. From where Michael bought the smartphone? We can say Michael bought a smartphone from a Samsung cafe. So it's the modifier. You can add more modifier as much as you want. This is how we make a sentence in English. Choose a subject, a verb, and a complement to complement the sentence. And then you can add different kinds of modifier to specify the sentence. When we add modifier to the sentence, we get a more specific idea of the sentence. That's why we add modifier. So this is how our sentence is made. Now please try to make some sentence in the comment section. Let's see how you learned, and see you in the next lesson.